Do you struggle with bringing your characters to life? Are you able to design a character okay, but get stuck when it comes to making them perform and express themselves in a way that really captivates the viewer? If so, then this is the course for you. I'm Kenny, and I've been designing characters professionally now for over 10 years, working across games design, illustration and animation, designing weird and wonderful characters for kids' TV shows, picture books and more. My journey hasn't been an easy one. In my early days, my characters were wooden and lacked personality. They looked okay, but they didn't really say anything or convey a feeling or a story. Over the years, I've developed my ability to create expressive characters through trial and error. I've distilled what I've learned into this course, in the hope I can make the learning process easier for you. This course is for anyone who has some basic character design ability, but wants to push the characters to the next level, to breathe more life into them and start making them not just look cool, but come alive on the page. You will benefit most from this course if you have a fundamental drawing ability and have some grounding already in character design. It's not really about how to design characters, more about how to bring life to them. So if you are a complete character design novice, then I would recommend doing some of the other 21 Draw courses on designing characters first. Each lesson covers different aspects of bringing a character to life, from thinking about what drives a character performance, to drawing gesture and conveying a feeling in a pose or expression. At the end of each lesson, there's a task to complete, which will help you solidify the concepts that we cover and synthesize them into your own workflow. After completing this course, you will come away with a greater understanding of how to build a character's performance from the ground up. The course includes over 2 hours of high quality video content based around 7 core subjects, broken up into 39 individual lessons. These include practical drawing tips to help with more expressive drawing, some theory and key principles behind acting and performance when it comes to characters, drawing expressions and posing, and finally bringing it all together into a single expressive character. Though I'm using Photoshop for the majority of the course, no special tools are necessary, as all of the concepts are universal and will work whether you prefer to use pencil and paper, an iPad or something else entirely. So with all that said, I'm excited to be teaching this course on 21 Draw and can't wait to help you take your characters to the next level, to being expressive and full of personality.